my loves, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking this video. I have something to share with you, my excitement to unbox my Hermes. I know it's just a little box, but it makes me happy, and I hope that you like this video. And I'm gonna also show you ways of how you can wear it. I know it's been a month now that I didn't upload some videos. It's because I'm so busy doing DIY painting, the gardens, and a lot of things to do, and it feels good to do that, um, especially during the lockdown just now, and it makes me feel good doing something in the house. So let's open it. All right. Oh yes, I'm not so sure what is this mean. I'm not sure. I think it's in a France words. I don't know. And all I can see is Hermes over here. I'm gonna get some leather. Let's have a look. And this is how it looked like. It's so cute, isn't it? So let's put it aside, and I want to see this Hermes over here. I'm not so sure Hermes or Hermes. I've heard about you don't see the H, so Hermes. All right. Oh, mine, so cute. Look at that. So cute with the stamp. And thank you for choosing Hermes. We hope you will be satisfied. Okay, I guess it's words. And I get some receipt. And it is £145. That's including with that, but I know it's a little expensive for small items, but it makes me happy to dress up one of my bags up there. So I have been eyeing one of the Louis Vuitton Twilly, but it was suddenly out of stock. So I went to Bulgari, any brands that I thought something that I could match with the pink and blue, but I could not find. So I went to Hermes, and it was out of stock, the one I like, and finally I found the one that I like. So let's open it. This comes with this box and got a little bit garter over here. Alright, let's put that aside there. So this is the box. It's so cute, isn't it? It's really cute. Got the ribbon Hermes over here. See that? Oh, so cute. So let's unbox it. Excited. So cute. And here's the words over here. You see that? Love the orange color. Alright, here we go. Something pink, isn't it? Oh my god. So beautiful. Let me show you closed. I have choose this color because I thought it's a little bit pink and a little bit blue, and I love the girls that have the fashion dress, bag, sports. Oh, so beautiful. And this, it comes with I can see that one. It's like Twilly Ex Libreles Parese. I don't know what does that mean. And there's a Hermes over here, and there's code, and made in France, 100% soy. Oh, so beautiful. Oh my god. I'm gonna show you from here to here. Oh, and the back. I'm gonna show you to dress up one of my bags. So before I'm gonna dress up my bags, I'm just gonna show you how I'm wearing it with my body as an accessories. So let's take out this tag. I don't want to break it. All right. And then I'm gonna show you first from the neck. You can definitely wear when you are like dressing, a beautiful dress, and you could just do it like this. Simple ideas like that. It's beautiful. And then you can also do in your hands by like this, and do like this. It's so cute. Just simple but beautiful. You can also use this a headband in your hair, and just do a tie knot right like this. It's so cute. And now we're gonna proceed to the bag. So let's start with my pink Chanel, and I'm actually using the ribbon from the Dior. So let's see if it's the same. Oh, so beautiful. So you want to show this Hermes wordings over here, and I want it to be that side. So I'm gonna do first the classic. They call it classic. So what you're gonna do is just wrap it there, then tie a knot. Oops, sorry. I have a, oh no, I'm gonna close up. Is that close? Yes, it's close. And then you're gonna tie a knot like that, like this, and then make it tight like this. And then now you're gonna slowly do like this. Just continue. And this is the classic one. It's beautiful. You can balance them. I know I'm put a longer one here than this, but definitely you can balance them. It's beautiful. Now I'm gonna do the ribbon. Let's just make a simple bow. So you can choose which side you like, but I like to choose this side. So all I'm gonna do is just do like this one more time, tie them to make sure that it's secured, and tighten up, and then you can make a bow. This so cute. I'm gonna try the other bags. So this is how it look like when it matched to the pink and blue, and it's so adorable. It's so cute. I've used the Louis Vuitton ribbon, so I'm taking out and see how it looks like with the pink. So I'm gonna do a halfway from the handle because I wasn't sure if it's gonna be enough to make a ribbon at the end. So let's see what's going to happen. Okay, so basically you just do like this. One is just steady and one will be turning, so it's like this. I'm gonna make sure that this Hermes from here is gonna be facing this side. Just turn until you reach the end. You can just leave it as like that, or you can make a bow at the end. And you can make a bow at the end. Oh my god, it's so gorgeous. I love it so much. Wow, so beautiful. Let's try to do a classic one. See how it looked like. This is how it looked like for a classic one. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. I love the combination of the blue and pink. So beautiful. Oh my god, love it. So that's it for the video for today, and I hope you enjoy and like this video and maybe help some way of dressing up your bags. And I'm so thankful for watching me all the way down here. Thank you so much, guys, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. See you later soon. Bye bye.